Hi everybody, welcome back to Bbye, and it's the Pride month. So before I just start this video, a very happy Pride month to all the people out there who belong to the LGBTQIA+ community. And I think it's a pleasure for me to do a video on this topic because I think हमारे इंडिया में people are not that acceptable towards the community, and I think through this video if I can put even a little bit of highlight there and people really consider and go to YouTube or to Google just to know what this whole thing is about, and I think that will be a huge thing for me. And I just wanted to say that this tutorial is really close to my heart and I hope that you like it. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. did like it. If you did, don't forget you can give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button if you just want to get notified every time I put a video. As well as please post your comments down below in the comment section. Also, if you have any feedback that you want to give to me, please put it down in the comment section. I would be really happy to just read it out and implement that in the next video. If you want this video to reach out to more people, you can share this with your friends and your colleagues so that they can also have a chance to watch this. And I'm so grateful that I could do a video on this topic because बहुत ज़रूरी है कि यार हमारे इंडिया में जो नए टॉपिक्स हैं, it's not even new. I think बहुत पुरानी चीज़ है, but still people are kind of not very accepting towards the community. So I just want that because we need to find out the balance honestly, because it's not about you and it's not about them. I think we all are quite different from each other, and अगर हम compassion, प्यार और दोस्ती के साथ आगे बढ़ेंगे, then this world will be a much better place for all of us to live. So that's quite about the video, and that's all that I have for you in the store today. For the next videos and to be updated with what I'm posting next, follow me on my social media handles that are also provided in the description box down below. So you get a daily updates there, and also you can put a guess on what I'm posting next. Till then, I take a leave. Take care, see you, and bye bye.